Shahid, welcome. I'm welcoming you all in your own college. This is Bollywood Hangama's Hangout. This is the show where we make sure stars meet their fans and fans meet their stars.
I love you, Sahib!
What a fun trailer of Deva. This is a Shahid Kapoor I like to see. This is a Shahid Kapoor I want to see. What was the initial thought that, okay, let's do this as my next one?
Deva is a film. It's a proper film. There is a lot of drama. There is a lot of emotion.
Right.
There is a lot of thrill. I'm a cop, hard cop. Deva is another film for me which takes my journey forward as an actor, trying to challenge myself.
If you were to have a dance-off with a co-actor, any co-actor who you've worked, कितनी actresses के साथ आपने काम किया है, कौन आपको टक्कर देगी आपको लगता है?
All of them, whether it was Priyanka, who was a very good dancer, or Deepika was a very good dancer. I enjoyed dancing with Pooja in this film.
Yes.
Kiara's a good dancer, but we've not danced together. Like even Amrita was a good dancer when I worked with her. And I've never done a song with Katrina, but she's a fantastic dancer. Yeah, you like her? You like her? I just started shooting for a film with Vishal Bhardwaj.
Wow.
That's a love story. With a lot of action. You're waiting for the silence.
Silence. Okay, okay.
Thank you. I love you too. Thank you so much. आज ना मुझे बड़े टाइम बाद फील हो रहा है लॉन्डो के लिए पिक्चर छोड़ो यार एक लड़कियों के लिए करते हैं.
शायद वेलकम टू कॉलेज. कॉलेज में आके सबसे पहले क्या थॉट्स आते हैं? व्हाट मेमोरीज?
धीरज का वड़ा पाव.
या
It's right around the corner. What's up, guys? How you doing? I heard you guys are having a lot of events here. Lots and lots. So the pressure in us is on us to make this fun. We'll try our best. Thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
yes. So guys, it's funny that I'm welcoming you all in your own college. This is Bollywood Hangama's Hangout. This is the show where we make sure stars meet their fans and fans meet their stars. Shahid, what a fun trailer of Deva. I thoroughly thought this is a Shahid Kapoor I like to see. This is a Shahid Kapoor I want to see. You've played a mix of complex characters, chocolate boy, action. सब कुछ आप कर लेते हो. But tell me, when it came to this one, what was the initial thought that, okay, let's do this as my next one?
Okay, firstly, Deva is a film that we can't talk much about.
Yes, I got it. Yeah.
So that's one of the biggest challenges.
Yeah.
And because it's a thriller, and a lot of the film has to do with the mental journey of the character,
Okay.
just as how the plot and the narrative of the film unfolds,
Right.
which we can reveal very little of in the trailer. So a lot of what you're seeing is mostly the action and the music. But I would say that Deva is a film. It's a proper film. There is a lot of drama. There is a lot of emotion.
Right.
There is a lot of thrill. There is complex scenes. There is deep emotion. But we can't show all that right now because it would be revealing the plot of the film, and we want the very intelligent audience that we have today, a little
Yes.
difficult to convince these days, to not be able to guess everything. So Deva is another film for me which takes my journey forward as an actor, trying to challenge myself, trying to raise the bar and do something that I feel will help me take to the audience an experience that is visceral, that is strong, that is original, and that gives them like a ride. So Deva is that kind of film. It's my first action thriller. It's actually literally, I think, the first thriller film that I've done. And it is very, very character driven. The story travels very much with Dave,
Right.
which is the character that I'm playing. I'm a cop, a hard cop, and complex character, and I guess that's all I can tell you right now. But I would say the reason I did Heather is because I felt like how I have done Kamine, or I have done the reason I did Deva is because I've done films like Kamine and films like Heather and films like Udta Punjab and films like Kabir, and these were all films which challenged me as an actor, and I feel Dev is the next character in those list of films that I feel takes that journey forward for me and put into a very commercial, very relatable, very enjoyable universe
Right.
by Roshan Andrews, who's making his Hindi
Yes.
film debut with this film. He's a Malayalam filmmaker.
Wow.
He's made thrillers for over
Yeah.
almost 2 decades now. So yeah.
Wow. So yeah, we'll respect that. We'll not delve into the story. We want you all to enjoy that in the theaters completely. Tell me about your director. You know, since it's his first film here, what is he like? What did you watch that you thought, you know, also someone to pull this off? I'm sure he's a great director. आपको क्या नजर आया?
Actually, during COVID, when we were going through the first and the second wave, I was sitting around at home, getting bored, and there was nothing to watch. Right, you like ran out of content, and there was nothing new to watch. So I started browsing content in different languages, and I came to realize that we have some very very talented filmmakers who might not be making Hindi films, but they have the cinematic grammar and they have the craft and the storytelling which should be taken to the entire country because they're just so strong as filmmakers. And I felt one of those people was Roshan. And then we got talking. We connected on a few things. We seemed to like each other, and then he came to me with an idea. And he said, "This is an idea that I have, and I've had it with me for a while, and I want to develop it into a film that I feel will be right for today's time." And then he started developing the idea, and I was very very intrigued with the kind of character that he was offering me. And I also really liked his lens on Mumbai. Like I felt like his point of view on Mumbai was very fresh. And I feel sometimes when you live in a city your whole life, you need somebody who's from outside the city to make you see the city in a way that you don't see it anymore, because we know we've been seeing it for so long. So I think sometimes things like that also really work. And in general, I felt he was tremendously talented technically, and he had a really interesting story to tell, which I wanted to take to, pan India. So that's what we're trying to do.
Right. Is it fun playing a cop? What goes through your mind when you say yes, I'll play a cop?
It's very generic, right? Where people when I did like Kabir Singh, everybody's like, "Is it fun playing a doctor?" Like I was like, "Not that kind of doctor." You know. So as far as cop is concerned, I would say not that kind of
That
cop.
kind of cop.
I usually like to play, characters which are where you can say not the regular kind of whatever, doctor, cop, whatever you want to call him.
Right.
So that for me that is what is exciting, that
Right.
you take something that people have seen for a certain period of time and then you flip it and give them something different. So I think it's going to be very different and very unique for people. Again, you have to wait till 31st of Jan when the
Right.
film's out.
We also saw a poster with Amitabh Bachchan, and Amitabh Bachchan's cutout and a poster behind. Something about that. What was the thought behind that?
31st Jan, pata chalega.
बहुत अभी एकदम, yeah. Also people are drawing parallels with your character in Deva. We have seen only the trailer कि उड़ता पंजाब जैसा है, कोई बोल रहा है, कोई बोल रहा है हैदर जैसा है, कोई बोल रहा है कबीर सिंह जैसा है. किसके जैसा है?
मैंने काफी जगह देखा कि वो कबीर सिंह को यूनिफॉर्म पहना दिया है,
हाँ,
एंग्री लग
हाँ.
रहा है.
हाँ.
वो ठीक है, अच्छा है. अच्छा है, कोई अच्छी हिट फिल्म का नाम ले रहे, कोई खराब फिल्म का नहीं बोल रहे, तो वैसा लग रहा है.
Yeah, yeah.
बट नॉट एट ऑल. देवा मेरी हमेशा ये कोशिश रहती है,
जी.
जो भी मैंने काम किया है, कि मेरा एक कैरेक्टर दूसरे कैरेक्टर, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता कि मुंह चिपका के आप जस्ट कहीं पहुंच गए या बस बाल काट के आप पहुंच गए. आई स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम trying to get into the mind of the character. And it's very difficult to explain till the film has not come out. When you see 2.5 hours of that film,
Right.
I'm very sure that there is only one Deva and he's not like anybody else, and we will find him in the film. Till then, I mean, yehi face hai, or so action hai, and also shayad maybe the aggression is coming across.
Correct.
He is an aggressive character, but nothing like Kabir or nothing like Tommy Singh. No, I mean, if you were to, let's talk about the films that have released. Like, if you were to compare a Tommy Singh and a Kabir, I think there are extremely different individuals, right?
Correct.
So, within a certain space, you should be able to create variety. And I mean, I'm somebody who's terrified of repeating myself. So, I would definitely say that Dev is an extremely original character, and he will have his own identity, and his identity will be very, very strong, solid, clear, well. Kind of etched out, I think. And of course, the filmmaker has helped me tremendously in that journey. It is because of him and his vision that I was able to portray Dev, and he's a very original character, and you'll know in 7 8 days. And if I'm wrong, please tell me in the next time we meet. You can say, "Nahi yaar, mere ko to same laga," but I feel it's very different.
Right. We'll definitely keep a watch on that. One thing that we really like is your look. There two looks amazing. Guys, I want to ask you all, how many of you guys like Shahid? Completely clean shaven, chocolate boy look, cute. Make some noise. Okay. How many of you like Shahid with a beard and make some noise? I can't make out Shahid. What do you think they like?
मैं ना ये दाढ़ी तो निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए मतलब I almost get shy, you know. I
Yeah.
feel like I'm not wearing clothes when I I don't know, it happens with age, or I don't know what the thing is, you know. But once you've kind of gotten used to keeping like at least a scruff, you know, it feels really strange to shave, you
Right.
know. You know, you look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, ye kaun hai? You know, you don't feel like it's you. So I would definitely, personally, I would always keep at least some amount of hair on my face. But in the film, I'm playing a police inspector, and when he is in uniform, the rule is that you have to be, you know, you can't have like a beard as such, so you have
Right.
to be largely clean. So that's why we went with that.
Right. At the trailer launch, I remember you said that you did this film because of the climax. What did you mean there? I hear everything.
Man, you have to see the film.
Okay.
You have to see the film, and once you see the climax of the film, you call me, and then we'll
Yes.
talk about it. But yes, the one thing that I can say is that I was shocked.
Wow.
I was like, whoa. So
Right.
and in a thriller, I feel that's a very important element. Also, you know, I feel like in the last few years, there are certain genres that are kind of dying. So the only genre that you're watching is, you know, blood and grime and blood and grime and blood and grime. And I think just as how one part of the audience is getting very tired of feeling like her film same lag rahi hai, and then there is of course a certain audience that enjoys that, right? Um, so I feel that this film we have tried to kind of have the action. We wanted a very active, very aggressive character. We also wanted to have enough action in the film because we felt that the film can show that. But throughout there is a very strong angle of, you know, almost like a film traveling inside the head of a character. So maybe like a film like I would say Fight Club, or like some of those films like Joker, like those are complex characters, right? So
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
traveling with a complex character, and you're always kind of, because eventually the film is a whodunit, and that's a genre that I think in the last few years we've not been able to do a version that is exciting for the audience anymore.
Right.
So I think that time of doing pure genres needs to go. I think you need to combine genres. So if you're doing action, you need to combine it with either thrill, or you need to combine it with sci-fi, or if you're making, say, a love story, then it needs to have a dark character like Kabir, for example. So you need to like mix it up and change it up. Otherwise, I think for the audience, they're just now so smart and so educated and have watched so much content that they drop off very fast.
Right.
It's only when you start mixing genres that I think you can keep them interested, because then they don't know exactly what's happening. And I think that's what we try to do with Deva.
Right. What you said is so interesting that, you know, some genre, why do you think some genres are dying? Are we not making enough as an industry, or are they not watching them?
You know, you got to make a good film.
At the end of the
And
day,
I
yeah.
think a genre always dies when the filmmakers who were pioneering that genre are unable to rediscover, or a new filmmaker, a breed of new filmmakers is unable to come and give us a fresh take on the genre.
Right.
So I think when a genre fails, when filmmakers start repeating themselves.
Right. So, you know, if I ask them, I'm sure if I ask the girls, they would love another Jab We Met. They would love another Teri Baaton Mein. Oh my God. Yeah. Another Jab We Met, right? Shahid, why are we not making that?
ऐसे लड़के सब मर चुके हैं, नहीं बचे हैं. Don't make it so difficult for the boys in the room, yeah. Lower your standards.
But see the audience, like, and also tell me, Shahid, when was the last time you watched Jab We Met? TV पे आती है, सब जगह आती है, OTT पे है. When was the last time you sat and watched it?
I've not seen it for a while. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen that film. But yeah, a lot of people end up watching it, and it's definitely a film that has just stood tall, regardless of the number of years back that it was made. And of course, it's a beautiful, beautiful film. I think it's Imtiaz's best film. And Imtiaz is a fantastic filmmaker, so it's saying a lot for a filmmaker like him. So, of course, it's a great film, but it's been a while since I saw it.
Right. But do you want to balance it sometime then?
हमें भागना चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा कोई
Yeah.
इमरजेंसी है? बिकॉज इतनी हल्की आवाज आ रही है कि प्रेशर नहीं फील हो रहा है कि भागो भागो आग लग
Yeah.
गई है. यू गाइज नो बेस्ट, राइट? ये चलते
ये
रहता
तो
है.
आराम से बैठे हैं.
ये
Yeah.
चलते रहता है.
ये होता
No,
रहता
till the fire reaches your दिल से, अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
Okay, I think we can safely continue. Yeah, what I was asking is, Shahid, do you want to balance? Do you plan? Can an actor balance it? मैं यार अभी एक love story करूँगा, फिर एक action करूँगा, फिर एक thriller करूँगा, फिर कुछ और करूँगा. Can you ever plan like that?
If only life worked according to the the ideal plans that we have. I wish life was that simple. That just after I got done with an amazing action film, the next script dropped right in front of me, which said, "I am a great love story." No, it's not so simple these days. To be able to develop content is a challenge, and the entire fraternity is trying to understand what's the kind of content that people want. Because I think with COVID, the mood changed a lot, and I think people's habits have also changed a lot, and the way that we are kind of consuming content has changed a lot.
Yeah.
There are various formats and various platforms on which you can consume content: short form, long form, different
Right.
types of content, right? So I think that will never happen. You have to always choose whatever you feel seems like the best film that is being offered to you, regardless of genre. If I get 3 back-to-back action films and I feel each of one of them is better than any other script that I have, I go for the best film that's in front of me, right?
Right. Yeah.
Because eventually people want a fresh film. Also, क्या होता है ना, as actors, we feel, कहीं कहीं ऐसा होता है that you feel like you just keep thinking about yourself. But I'm not the only one who's going to a theater. There are multiple actors with multiple films coming out. So I'm never really going to be able to control the ecosystem that I'm a part of. I can't. So if 3 bad films have come in a certain genre and then my film's coming out, it's going to affect my film. Because people's mood is not for that genre because they've been disappointed by 3 people who had nothing to do with me. Or if there are 2 amazing films in a certain genre and my film's coming out, it'll benefit from that.
Right.
So those are things that are out of your personal control. So I think I pretty much follow my instinct and my conviction, and I try to focus on what I think is the right film for me to do, which I can believe in. And if I give it all my conviction, if I give it all my love, and if I can bring the best of my craft to it, then I think that should be enough for people to see it. Beyond that, I think I would be overcomplicating it.
Right. You explored OTT. You did Bloody Daddy and Farzi. How was that experience? Did you enjoy? Do you think you reached a new audience in different countries? Did it
Yeah,
work
for
that way?
sure. I mean, Farzi did phenomenally well. Bloody Daddy was very, very well received. And even though, Geo was a newer platform, Geo Cinema, it was a new platform, it was still new for the audience. I think the number of people who saw the film was very substantial. Farsi, of course, was a whole different story. It just exploded. And
Yeah.
But for me, it was about having the opportunity to tell that story.
Yeah.
Every story deserves to be told in a certain way. And in fact, Farzi was supposed to be a film. And Raj and DK had come to me almost 5 years before we eventually agreed to do it. And they had written it down as a film. And my instinct on it was that I felt like 2.5 hours might not be enough to tell the story. So we were also always discussing and trying to understand how do you bring the story into 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
And then one realized that this story deserves more time to be told. And then if you need to do that, either you make a film in parts or then you make a show.
Series. Yeah.
Because an 8 or 9 episodes allows you to tell the story in a more detailed manner, which will probably give you a better, deeper dive into the film. So, we went with that format, and they came back to me 5 years later with it, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. So.
Right. What do you think about this? What do you have to say about this whole re-release thing? That so many films are just re-releasing, which is great that a new audience get to watch it. Padmavat is also going to re-release. Jab We Met re-released. What do you have to say about that? Do you think it's a good thing that new audience get to see it?
Yeah, I mean, if people want to see a film and it's re-releasing and they're enjoying it on the big screen, then I think that's a very, very, very good thing. I mean, there's no downside to it.
Like, do you think they don't compete with the films that are releasing now?
Let them compete. If somebody doesn't want to see my film, even if there is like no other film in the theater and the trailer is not exciting, I think they'll save their money.
Right.
And they'll be like, कहीं और चलते हैं, कुछ और करते हैं. And if your film is really good, there's so many times we've seen 2 films performing extremely well simultaneously.
Yeah.
It's because both those films are drawing the audience to the theater. And sometimes I feel having 2 films running simultaneously helps each other. Sometimes you come for a film, like, यार इसके ticket नहीं मिल रहे हैं. but that one also looks good. Chalo wo dekh lete hain.
Right.
You want people to come to the theater. You want the theater to be always busy and buzzing and people to be excited.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. How many re-release audience here? Did you all go and watch anything that re-released? Which one? Okay. शायद
Thank you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Padmavat is re-releasing. Please जाना देखने. शायद at the trailer launch you were talking about the longevity, like how one has to do everything, अलग अलग roles.
मेरे को ना एक सवाल पूछना है, यार लड़कियों को ही जब भी मैच देखनी है, लड़कों को भी देखना अच्छा
हाँ.
लगता है? तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है? हाँ?
कबीर
हाँ?
सिंह.
See, now how do we bring these two films together in one character? We'll just make him crazy. एक सुबह ऐसे उठता है, एक सुबह एकदम ऐसे soft उठता है. हाँ?
This is a dilemma, right? This is a dilemma that, see, guys are saying we want to see a Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh, though, got a lot of love. There would be girls who would give a lot of flack also, right? So, yeah, what should he do next, guys? Girls also, Kabir Singh part 2. ठीक है.
भाई मेरे उसको प्रीति मिल गई, अब क्या करेगा वो?
हाँ? विवाह.
बच्चे की कहानी बोल रहे हो?
विवाह.
फिर उसका ना अंदर का कबीर सिंह खत्म हो जाएगा बच्चे की कहानी.
How many Viva fans? Shahid, what is it about Viva that it cuts across generation? Imagine that time I remember when we had.
It's women's need for a man who doesn't exist. Basically, हमें कोई ऐसा दो जो हो ही नहीं.
Fiction.
And then we can just keep rejecting the boys. Not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough.
But what is it about Viva that really cuts across? This is an all new crowd. Viva released when I was watching movies in the theater, which was many years ago. This is a full new audience that want to watch Viva. Good
I mean,
story.
that's probably a question you should ask Suraj Bharjatia ji, who made the film. And I think the kind of cinema that he makes stands for certain values that are very core Indian values. And हम कितना भी, modern कपड़े पहन ले, international music सुन ले, but our fathers, our grandfather, our grandmothers, our family is rooted in Indian culture. And I think his films smell of dignity and of what is ideal and how you want a man woman, the way the izzat that women get in Surajji's films. I think that is what women appreciate. And having now been married for 10 years, I can say that for women, respect is fundamental, and every boy, every man should understand that.
Yeah. Big hand to that, guys. Big hand to that. I love my job. I'm meeting you today. I'm meeting you, Surajji, just tomorrow. So I will definitely tell him that. At the trailer on Shahid, you were talking about longevity. How an actor should do everything. You are again someone who's seen the test of times. You've done different roles, variety of roles. What do you think is the biggest sauce, biggest secret for longevity? क्या करना चाहिए कि time आता है, change होता है, actors आते हैं, जाते हैं. People are so watching reels and moving on so fast. What do you think is the secret of longevity?
काम करो.
करते रहो.
फंडामेंटल नहीं, काम आना चाहिए. आप यहाँ क्या करने आए हो? कूल बनने आए हो, स्टार बनने आए हो, पैसे कमाने आए हो, अटेंशन के लिए आए हो, या आप उस चीज़ की मोहब्बत के लिए आए हो, कॉल्ड सिनेमा. तो अगर आपको एक्टर बनना है तो यू शुड बी इन लव विद मूवीज़. You should eat, breathe, sleep movies. You should wake up thinking about them. You should want the love of the audience. Whether they are 10 years old or they are 80 years old, whether they are from a city or from a village, or whether they're from India, or you should just want the love of people, and you should want to share your feelings, your struggles, your challenges, your saddest moments, your biggest smiles, your eyes full of tears, all that. We share that. We are all the human race. We have that in common. We all go through the same emotions and the same feelings, and we all do it in our own way. And movies are meant to take you through that journey, and it's a relationship of connection. So as far as I want to reach out to you and share something with you, and you feel that, and you want to let me know that you felt that and you appreciated it, this relationship will go on. And that has to be the reason, nothing else. Nothing else should be the reason.
That is a great reason. Shahid, are you happy you started at a time you did? because today people who are starting this instant gratification, likes aa gaye, views aa gaye, मेरा song chal gaya. Are you glad that we are, at least we are seeing both the sides? You're seeing this also, and you started at a time where ये सब नहीं था.
See, I don't belong to that kind of mindset that हमारा time बड़ा अच्छा था और आजकल के बच्चे, I don't think that doesn't make any sense.
Fair enough.
Because when we were that age, our parents used to feel like that about us, or the older generation used to feel like that. That's not the point. I think every generation has their set of challenges. We had our set of challenges. You guys have your set of challenges. And I do feel that everybody in this room probably recognizes their weaknesses or their dependencies, right? Like I know that I recognize it every day that I'm maybe spending too much time on my phone, and maybe I need to connect with people more and look into somebody's eyes and try and understand how they're feeling, not talk to them while I'm on a device. And I think we all understand those challenges in today's time, and it's not easy. It's not easy living in a world where there is so much social media, and you're just so aware of everything that exists in every corner of this earth.
Right.
Then how will you be satisfied with your reality? Because it's not possible for you not to compare where you are with where somebody else is. It's natural for the mind to work like that. But I think it's also equally important. I feel that now is a time when we must all exercise and practice gratitude on a daily basis.
Yeah.
I think if you can genuinely get up every day and focus for 10 minutes on all that you have, that you should not take for granted, and that it's God's grace that you have it, I think you'll be able to spend your day feeling satisfied and happy with who you are. And at the same time, it's great to know what's happening out there. It's great to compare to another person and to say, man, I like what that guy did. I want to go out there and do better. That's good, right? It gives you drive.
Yeah.
But it's more important to have gratitude for everything that you have, as boring as that sounds.
No.
But I feel that I also do it because there are days I go through where I also look at other people. I'm like, यार मुझे वो चाहिए, मेरा ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? It happens to you wherever you are in life.
Yeah.
And I think when you flip that mindset and you start thinking a little more from the mindset that suits you, that will make you feel better. And when you feel better, you become a better version of yourself. And I think eventually that's what your goal should be, just to be the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
So I also try and struggle with it, and I'm sure everybody does that as well, right, guys?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
सब खुश हैं अपने आप से?
Yeah.
कितने खुश लग रहे हैं देखो.
नहीं है ऐसे. शायद who gives you that one honest feedback आपके काम के बारे में? It's always for any film actor, there must be many people who will say things are great. Are there people around you who tell you कि शायद this was not?
Always the women in your life.
So your wife would tell
Who
you?
will let you know how good or bad you are. सीधा straight. प्यार से बहुत खराब था. No, but seriously, like I would definitely say my wife, my mom are two people I listen to a lot, and I think that I trust them, because I know they care for me so much, and I
Yeah.
know that they love me deeply, So if they're saying something, even if it's not sounding nice, I know they're saying it because I need to hear it.
Yeah.
So I trust the love.
Nice.
Yeah.
How do you take that feedback if someone says, not nice?
Fast. Absorb it quick. Move on faster.
Yeah.
And it's okay. It's okay. You got to learn. You got to learn to fail, and then you got to rise up again. And the fun is in rising up. That's
Yeah.
the fun.
Yeah.
If you never fell down, there's no fun standing up again.
Absolutely. Hypothetical question. If your wife was to direct a movie with you, what genre would the movie be?
No, I don't work with family. It's not a good idea.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
फैमिली के साथ अलग से डील करो, काम के साथ अलग से डील करो. जब दोनों एक में आ जाते हैं, it's damn difficult, यार.
Okay, let me.
You should not. I would not want to
You would
work
not
with.
want
No,
to.
it's because if कुछ भी मैंने बोल दिया, their feelings will get hurt, or they say something.
Yeah,
नहीं.
can't
I
risk.
think
Can't
like keep it clean.
I'll change it. What genre of movies does she like to watch of you?
जब we met.
Of course.
मुझे अभी भी डांट पिटती है. I thought you were like Aditya. तू तो 5% भी नहीं निकला.
5% भी
हाँ,
नहीं आदित्य
हाँ, मैंने बोला बी हैप्पी कबीर सिंह भी मैं 5% नहीं निकला.
Big hand
It's a
for
fair
that.
deal.
Thank God. Right. घर पे बॉस कौन होता है? Your wife, you or kids?
ये शादी नहीं हुई है?
हो गई है.
हो गई है.
हाँ.
फिर भी तू ट्राई कर रहा है कि शायद कहीं अलग
शायद-
जवाब मिल जाएगा.
शायद कपूर
किसी के घर में तो अलग जवाब मिलेगा.
Yeah.
नहीं ब्रो.
नहीं.
तेरे घर में कौन बॉस है?
वाइफ बॉस है, या
एंड ऑफ स्टोरी.
दैट्स ट्रू. नहीं, मैं पूछा था बच्चे भी बॉस हो सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, वो असिस्टेंट बॉस हैं. एक मेन बॉस है और एक बॉस का मैसेंजर. पापा, मामा इज सेइंग, ओके बेटा.
राइट. वन पेरेंटिंग एडवाइस परमानेंटली यू टेल एवरीवन, बॉस ये
यहाँ पे
याद
किसको
रखना.
पेरेंटिंग एडवाइस किसको चाहिए यार?
ये इंटरव्यू, ये
टीचर्स के
interview और भी
लिए
लोग देखेंगे. हाँ,
टीचर्स को
भी
मैं पेरेंटिंग एडवाइस दूंगा?
हाँ हाँ.
नहीं यार,
एक लाइन की ये
मैं इतना
बात
बुढ़ा
याद
भी नहीं हुआ कि
रखना.
मैं टीचर्स को पेरेंटिंग एडवाइस दे रहा हूँ.
ये बात याद रखना हमेशा, बच्चे हो तो. ऐसी कोई लाइन,
किसके लिए?
बच्चे हो ये बात याद रखना.
बच्चों ये बात याद रखना. वही बात भूलते हैं वो. रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी आई थिंक वर्क्स बेटर विद किड्स.
Right. If you were to have a dance off with a co-actor, any co-actor who you worked, कितनी actresses के साथ आपने काम किया है, कौन आपको टक्कर देगी आपको लगता है?
बहुत सारी. आई मीन वो फिजिकली लिटरली टक्कर दे देती है.
हाँ.
हाँ, कभी कभी मेरी को एक्ट्रेसेस मुझे बोलती थी इतना क्यों डांस कर रहा है, थोड़ा कम कर यार.
हाँ.
You're looking so desperate, just relax. I'm like, but I like dancing. No, but it's too much. Just don't bounce so much. Just a little less. Match me. I'm like, but I am a better dancer in my head. I'm like, but I'm a better dancer. I'm like, no, just match me, please. We need to look like a pair. तो ये बहुत होता था मुझे पहले 10 साल के करियर में. मैं बुली भी हो जाता था.
Okay.
या वी हैव टू मैच ईच अदर. और देन आई सेड छोड़ो यार, मैं डांस करने में, तुम्हें करना है करो, नहीं करो. आई एम गोइंग फॉर इट, यू नो. No, but there's so many girls who are fantastic dancers. A lot of them I've worked with already, you know, like whether it was Priyanka, who was a very good dancer, or Deepika was a very good dancer. I enjoyed dancing with Pooja in this film.
Yes.
Kiara's a good dancer, but we've not danced together. All of them, like even Amrita was a good dancer when I worked with her, and all the girls, they're all good. I've never done a song with Katrina, but she's a fantastic dancer. Yeah, all of. Yeah, you like her? You like her? She's also an amazing dancer. Okay, happy?
Yeah. देखो, जो हम नहीं पूछते हैं ये पूछ लेते. Okay. One absurd rumor that made you laugh कि यार ये कैसे लिख दिया.
बहुत सारे हैं.
जैसे एक की जैसे
मैं क्यों याद दिलाऊं?
आप लोग मत याद दिलाओ, हम लोग we'll move on to the next question. Talking about retakes, are you that guy who will be like, कर लो मेरा co-star जितने retakes, I have the patience to sit and stand with you. You have to do that, or you're like यार किसी और को खड़ा कर दो.
No, I mean I would definitely not want a situation where my co-actor is किसी और को खड़ा कर दो. मतलब कौन खड़ा होगा वहाँ पे? So that's very unprofessional. But I personally don't like doing multiple takes. I think at now after so many years of work, what resonates with me is that if I have prepped for the character, और अगर मैं अपनी पूरा होमवर्क करके कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोच के आया हूँ, तो एक रिहर्सल और फिर उसके बाद टेक. एक या दो टेक्स, यूजुअली दोज आर द मोस्ट ऑनेस्ट. उसके बाद आप थोड़ा ओवर प्रोसेस करने लगते हो. बट देयर आर एक्टर्स हु गेट बेटर विद टेक्स, राइट? सो व्हेन दैट हैपेंस यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट आउट, राइट? एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट kind of rhythm between you and your co-actor. And sometimes if the processes are very different, you should not work with each other, because it can become too difficult. So I think it's also good to know कि यार यहाँ हमारा ना, we're in the same kind of universe. It's important to know that. Yeah.
Right, interesting. You know, शायद आपको इतने invites आते होंगे, इतने लोग आपको बुलाते होंगे, जब आपको नहीं जाना होता है कहाँ, what is your best excuse? मैं ये line
मुंबई ट्रैफिक, स्टमक इन्फेक्शन, फ्लू हो गई, और तेरा मैसेज ही नहीं डिलीवर हुआ यार, 2 दिन बाद आया तेरा मैसेज. बहुत सारे होते हैं एक्सक्यूजेस.
राइट. बस सब मत बता दो, सब पता लग जाएगा.
मैं इतने सारे दे रहा हूँ कि किसी को समझ ही नहीं आया कि इसने सच कब बोला.
अगर ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एक बिग बॉस का घर होता, आप कौन से 3 एक्टर्स के साथ रहना चाहोगे, जस्ट फॉर फन?
नहीं यार, मैं ना वैसे रह ही नहीं सकता लाइफ में. मेरे से होगा ही नहीं इतने सारे कैमरास के सामने. इवन इफ यू paid me, I don't know how much, I don't think I'll be able to do that.
You won't be able to.
I can't do that. I need to feel like the minute I finish my work, I like to be very normal. I don't like, I like to disconnect from that and be as close to a normal life as possible. It's very important for me.
Right. What do you like watching genre wise? कि अभी अगर घर पे जाओगे, you have a free evening, what will we see you watch?
I'm very open to different genres. I mean, I like to watch films of different languages. I like watching content that is, fresh content that is little deeper. I don't like watching stuff that's really, really, surfacial. So I like watching stuff that's a little more, little deeper. मुझे personally वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. That kind of
Right.
content.
Or and घर पे, is there a genre that you and your wife watch together? Everybody has that. कि these kind of shows, these shows we watch together. What would that be?
Yeah, we watch together. She's on the TV, I am on my phone. Or I am on the TV, she's on her phone.
So
We sit together, but we watch what we want to watch most of the times.
that's hilarious. Are you playing a Maharashtrian in this film, Deva?
Well, the backdrop of the film is Mumbai.
Okay.
So technically, yes, but it's not like there is a major Marathi accent or something
Okay.
like that. We've kept it very neutral because I feel Deva is a story and a film that should be able to, connect with all audiences. And so for that reason, there is a little bit halka halka, but we've kept it very Hindi.
Right.
Yeah.
शायद आप reviews पढ़ते हो? Like, do you like to read what people have written?
पढ़ता हूँ.
पढ़ते हो. Okay. Affect होते हो?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
आह, ये हुई ना
1% भी नहीं इफेक्ट होता मैं. क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
क्या
तुमको
फर्क
क्या मालूम है?
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
पिक्चर तो हमने बनाई है ऑडियंस के लिए.
हाँ.
बीच में तुम क्यों आ गए? किसने बुलाया?
That's absolutely
No,
right.
but no,
100%.
reviews are reviews, and people's. There are certain reviewers. If you have that, that regard and that appreciation, and if you feel that it's not a paid review, which is also something that happens extremely often now, where most of the reviews are paid, a lot of the reviews are paid.
Yeah.
Then of course it matters, and not just from a reviewer, from a colleague,
Yeah.
from a co-actor,
Huh.
from somebody who might be in a different job, but you think that they appreciate cinema, and if you feel that you like their approach, mindset, thinking, all those opinions matter. Every opinion matters, but eventually it's between you and the audience, and everybody who's in the middle. If you want to focus on them, you focus on them. But I'd much rather focus on the people who are paying that ticket
Yeah.
and coming to see the film out of their own wish. Those are the people you make movies for eventually.
बिल्कुल. शायद मैं कुछ फिल्म्स के नाम लूंगा. कुछ किस्सा या कुछ याद आती है. क्या याद आता है जब मैं फिल्म के नाम लेता हूँ? आप बताइए. कमीने.
Lots of night shoots in the rain.
Night shoots in the rain.
Yeah, lots and lots. We did like some 35 nights, and we used to start at 7 in the evening, and we'd shoot till 6 in the morning, and we'd just be wet in the rain because there was rain throughout the film, and most of the night scenes had rain. So I just remember that so clearly, कि बस गीले 10 घंटे 12 घंटे आप बस shoot कर रहे हो. And
My
it's just
God,
like
very
wet, and so yeah, very challenging.
Right. Another film that got a lot of love was Haider. What? क्या याद आता है Haider के बारे में?
Kashmir, the beauty of Kashmir. I think Kashmir is just so beautiful. And just knowing that this is a part of your country and so much beauty exists so close to you, and of course, shooting such a controversial subject in the heart of the place where the emotions of people are so, so that was also sometimes very intimidating, very, very intimidating.
Right. Just a follow up on that. When it's a role like that, do you take it when you go pack up हो जाता है घर जाते हो? Do you keep thinking about it?
I try my best not to think about it, but क्या होता है ना, consciously आप कुछ सोच रहे हो, but subconscious में चीजें रहती हैं. So sometimes my family will tell me, or some like my dad told me actually after Haider.
Okay.
Almost I think 1.5 months after Haider got over, one day we were all sitting and eating dinner together, and he looked at me and smiled and said, "Finally, Shahid is back on the table." He said, "Today I feel like my son is sitting on the table. You were behaving so differently," and I actually didn't even realize it. And coming from him, who goes so deep into his characters, I was like, मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया होगा यार. Dad thought I was in my character.
Wow.
So yeah.
Right. Viva? If I take you
Viva
back.
is all Suraj Bharjate. My love for Suraj ji is undying. I remember when I did Viva, मेरी ना 1 महीने में 3 पिक्चरें फ्लॉप हो गई थी. और मैंने सूरज जी को बोला था जाके, हमारी कुछ 8-9 दिन फिल्म शूट हुई थी, और मैंने सूरज जी को कहा कि सर अगर आप मुझे चेंज करना चाहते हो ना, आप चेंज कर दो, बिकॉज व्हाई वुड एनीबडी वांट टू वर्क विद मी? आई हैव गिवन 3 फ्लॉप्स इन 1 month, and one of those flops was with Sanjay Dutt, one of those flops was with Akshay Kumar, and the third flop was with Ajay Devgan, who were all 3 big stars. तो I was like, मेरा ही कुछ बैड लक होगा यार, इनकी तो बाकी पिक्चरें बहुत चलती रहती हैं. And I remember he told me, he said, if you know what you need to do in front of the camera, you just focus on that. You leave the rest to me. And, that was my biggest hit at that time. So, he had that faith in me. He liked me as an actor. He backed me. He believed in me. So that'll always be my most special memory of Suraj Bharjatya and Viva.
Amazing. You know, Shahid, when you talk about this
But
phase,
that's true about life, you know, guys. Before your biggest success, you'll feel like everything is falling apart. It's like a pattern. It's like the universe is fooling you to think everything is falling apart right before the best thing in your life ever happens. It really happens like that.
amazing,
So you should
amazing.
believe in that.
How do
Really.
you wake up and go the next day? Three flops हो गई. You have to go on a set the next day. What makes you wake up and go?
और क्या करेंगे?
जो आता है वही करो.
वही यही आता है यार, तो यही करेंगे तो ठीक है, रिजेक्शन मिल गया, रिजेक्शन मिलेगा, तो अब क्या करेंगे? यू कांट कैरी इट, यू हैव टू लर्न, यू हैव टू बी हम्बल, यू हैव टू पुट योर हेड डाउन, यू हैव टू रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ दैट यू लव दिस, एंड इवन इफ यू गेट वन चांस
Yeah.
you're going to keep trying. That's how, before I started, that's how it was, right? You go and you give auditions and you try to get a role, and you wait thinking hoega nahi hoega, and sometimes they don't even see your audition. There's so many steps you go through. So once you get that break, once you've made it in front of the janta, then your journey has started.
Right.
Then that falling, standing up, wo chalte rahega. That's part of life. It has to happen.
Correct. Big two more films. Ishq Vishk. क्या long back, but क्या याद आता है?
Ishwish, I have amazing memories. We were all newcomers, and none of us had any like celebrity status के इसका भाई है, उसका बेटा है, उसका वो, none of that. तो कोई हमारे बारे में जानता ही नहीं था. So we really shot that film like a group of friends, and none of us were like that good at acting. We were all like just sometimes your personality is right for a film. कि ये college का imperfect सा एक लड़का लगता है. So I think most of us fell in that category. The boys and the girls. And we were just all of us supportive of each other, trying to do a good job. And so Ishq Vishk was full of very normal memories. Like, like when you go try do something with your friends and it seems to do really well, and now suddenly everybody's talking about it. Ishq Vishk was that kind of an experience.
Wow, amazing. And lastly, Jab We Met, since there's a huge audience here. Yeah.
What do you want me to
क्या
say?
याद आता है?
इम्तियाज के घुंघराले बाल और उसकी he's a handsome guy.
He's a very
ये तो
handsome
मैं उसको
guy.
देख के
Yeah,
सोचता
yeah.
था, ये इतना हैंडसम है, इसने खुद ही अपने आप को क्यों नहीं कास्ट कर लिया? He's so intelligent also. He was good looking, he was charming.
Right.
So I remember Imtiaz, and Jab We Met is just a lot of his vision and his talent, his pure raw talent. And of course, just an amazing journey for all of us, whether it was me or Karina, or whether it was all the other actors in the film. Just for all of us, it was a great opportunity. I still remember, I think me and Bosco did our first song together. Nagada Nagada was our first song together. So that was a great memory. Staying in that that the Haveli jo thi, वहाँ पे shoot करना, I still remember. It's a very pretty Haveli. It was very hot. It used to be like 50 degrees, and we used to be shooting there. So great memories of Jab We Met.
Right. Girls, how many of you find Imtiaz Ali hot? Raise your hand. डरो मत यार, like you can, yeah, I can see a lot of hands. So yeah.
अगर वो अपने बाल रंग रहा होता ना तो और हाथ उड़ जाने थे यहाँ पे. लेकिन भी बाल सफेद हो गए हैं.
Right. Shahid, lastly, before I move on to the rapid fire, do you like can you at least plan this much कि इसके बाद ये release हो रही है, इसके बाद मेरी दूसरी फिल्म मुझे पता है क्या release होगी. Do you want to tell them what's next?
मुझे पता है क्या फिल्म
इनको
मैं कर रहा
बताओगे?
हूँ.
हाँ.
मुझे पता है कि मैं क्या फिल्म कर रहा हूँ. So after this, I've just started shooting for a film with Vishal Bhardwaj.
Wow.
That's a love story. With a lot of action. So that's a film based in the 90s.
Okay.
It's based against the backdrop of the gangsters of the 90s, but it's actually a love story with a lot of action. And it's a really cool subject. And I've just started shooting that. There's me, there's Tripti Dimri in that. There is Randeep Huda. There is Nana Patekar. There's Vikrant Massey. So it's a really cool cast. There's Farida Jalal ji.
Arre wah.
She's also in the film. So it's a really cool cast and a very, very nice subject. And
Super.
again, a crazy character for me. So very excited.
Wow, y'all are confusing me. Y'all are shouting for everyone. Who are y'all excited about? Tripti Dimri? Nana Patekar? Kya baat. Wow, that's really something. Yeah. Well done, guys. Well done. Where were you all this while? Yeah.
Hey, she just woke up.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
वो alarm
It's
बजा
time.
रही
It's time. Let's say it.
And she woke up, she's like,
You're waiting for the
waiting for
silence.
silence. Okay, okay.
Thank you. I love you too. Thank you so much. Beta, I don't like being somebody's afterthought. And now all the girls have noted this move that you've made. We're in trouble. No, but I love you too, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Right. शायद अगर आपके लाइफ पे एक रोम कॉम बने उसका क्या टाइटल होना चाहिए?
Kamina. नहीं? Don't want to accept. जब भी met. आदित्य. फिल्म का नाम ही आदित्य है. आदित्य लव स्टोरी. कोई नहीं देखने आएगा. इस वाइब नहीं आ रही है.
अगर कोई फीमेल एक्टर कबीर सिंह एक फीमेल लेडी कबीर सिंह बन जाए तो कौन प्ले कर सकता है लेडी कबीर सिंह? आपसे नहीं पूछ. ओके, लेट हिम आंसर. आई गॉट योर
नहीं,
आंसर.
काम करते हैं. कियारा को ही बोलते हैं तू कबीर बन जा. मैं तेरी प्रीति बन जाऊंगा. मैं तैयार हूं. मैं तैयार हूं. आई लव प्रीति. मैं बनने को तैयार हूं. क्लाइमैक्स में 8-10 बार उसको थप्पड़ मारने का चांस मिलेगा. कहाँ थे तुम? हाँ, कहाँ थे? कहाँ थी?
क्या जब वी मेट वापस बनती है?
नहीं, खराब मत करो.
खराब मत करो.
Some things should
Yeah.
not be touched.
Right,
Yeah.
absolutely. One film that you really enjoyed for the craft of it. You're like, मैं सीखा कुछ इस film से.
Lot of filmmakers for the craft. A lot of filmmakers. Right now, I'm working with Vishal sir. I think he has amazing craft and amazing understanding of cinema visually. He is a musician. He's a singer. He's a writer. He's a filmmaker. So tremendously talented. I would say Roshan. I learned a lot from him with regard to how to create a mood and frame for a thriller. I think from Sandeep, I have understood how to be able to honestly show something which is fundamentally feels wrong and be able to make people understand and relate to it. I think that's a special quality that Sandeep has. Also, I think his sense of background score and the way he makes his heroes looks too cool. So I learned that from him. From Imtiaz, I think loving in a selfless manner. I think that's something that Imtiaz really pioneers in the way that he expressed himself. So there's so many. Suraj ji se, like I said, हमारा Hindustani culture, our what we stand for and what we can take from our parents and our grandparents and how they made their marriages work and how they were with each other. The izzat that they gave each other. That I would say I would learn from Suraj Barjatia. There's so many.
Right. If you, Anurag Kashyap.
Never worked with him, mate.
Yeah.
There was a film called Dev D. This is a film called Dev A.
Right.
He didn't direct Udta Punjab.
didn't direct
Anurag didn't direct it.
Yeah.
Abhishek Chaube made Udta Punjab. He produced it.
अच्छा.
हाँ बेटा, but he didn't come on the set and all. वो घर से प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे वो. सेट पे अभिषेक चौबे आए थे.
Okay. अगर आप ये कैरेक्टर्स से कुछ क्वालिटी लें तो क्या लेंगे? प्रेम फ्रॉम विवाह.
Prem from Viva. I think he was very respectful. So I think that because see, I also had an arranged marriage. So eventually मेरे लाइफ में भी विवाह ही हुआ. And I think जब आप अरेंज मैरिज सेटअप में मिलते हो तो आप एक दूसरे को इतनी अच्छी तरह जानते नहीं हो. तो पहला कदम होता है रिस्पेक्ट और पहला कदम होता है ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पर्सन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड गिव देम कंफर्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट मे बी बिकॉज आई डन विवाह, मे बी आई ट्राइड टू गेट दैट वन थिंग राइट. सो डेफिनेटली दैट.
Right. Rajiv from Ishq Vishk. What would you like to take from him?
बड़ा स्टूपिड सा था राजीव. देयर इज नॉट मच टू टेक फ्रॉम हिम.
Nothing. Okay. Okay. Aditya from Jab We Met. What would you like to take from him?
आई थिंक हिज लाइन वेर ही सेज कि मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करता हूँ बट वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम है, वो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I think every Indian man especially can learn from that just because you love a girl, it should not be her problem. Sometimes it's just your problem. You know what I mean?
Big hand to that, guys. कबीर सिंह से क्या सीखना चाहिए?
No, I think Kabir loved very deeply. And I think he was unable to, he went into a self-destructive mode because he did not know what to do if he didn't have Preeti. Just don't learn anything else. But that one thing I think was very inspiring about Kabir. The way he loved Preeti and the amount of intensity of love that he had for her was absolutely spectacular.
हैदर से क्या सीखना चाहिए?
I would say I would stick to the part of to be as opposed to not to be.
Okay.
To always be. You should always be yourself. You should always be yourself. And never, no, genuinely, I mean, like, never think that you don't matter. Never think that you don't do that to yourself. Always believe in yourself, you know. So I would maybe to be.
Choose one of your characters according to the situation. The most fun to hang out with. आप किसके साथ hang out करेंगे?
Tommy Singh.
अरे वाह, yeah.
हर शाम को सुनने को मिलेगा, ओ सुन लो. Yeah, bro, let's get the party started. That's what I'm talking about.
Right.
You know?
Girls, if you all want to hang out with a Shahid Kapoor character, which character would you all hang out?
तुम सब लड़कियों
अटका
कुछ
हुआ
नहीं
है,
होने वाले, लड़का ही नहीं मिलेगा.
अटके हुए हैं ये लोग.
I'm telling you, drop your standards. Only in movies.
Only.
That too 15-year-old movies. Reality check. Aditya's left the building. He doesn't exist anymore.
Right. For a relationship advice, which character would you go to?
Interesting. I have no idea who I'd go to. They all had issues. I think I would tell all of them to come to me for relationship advice. I've done a good job. Yeah. Almost 10 years going strong, guys. It's not bad.
Prem from Viva will give you relationship advice? Or?
वो इतना softly बोलेगा कि मैं मतलब बोर थोड़े मैं आपके से ब्रो मैं समझ गया WhatsApp कर दे.
Who's that one character who will save you from cops अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो?
देवा.
और भी हो सकते हैं, I think. Yeah.
नहीं but अभी देवा रिलीज पे है ना तो
Yeah,
देवा.
Deva, yeah.
No, he can't save you from cops. He'll get you in trouble. You'll be with the cops.
One character you can't trust. कभी भरोसा नहीं करना इस character पे.
I would again say Dev, don't trust him.
Ooh.
He'll surprise you.
Viva is still very relevant to today's audience. Yes or no?
Yeah, we're in India, guys.
Yeah.
Of course. Arranged marriage is a thing, you know, and it's a big thing in India. It's a big thing.
Let's do a poll. Arranged marriage, hands up.
Nee, right now they are too young.
Yeah. आप छोटे
They'll
हो.
believe.
We'll come back.
Slightly older audience, they'll be like, बहुत try कर लिया यार, ये भी try कर लेते हैं.
Right. Jab We Met is a classic now. You can call it a classic.
Thank you. I mean, none of us can say it. It seems wrong,
Right.
but thank you so much for saying that. Thank you.
Right. Romantic films are overrated. Yes or no?
I don't think romance will ever die, but I think that yeah, but we have to like find. So, what do you want in a romantic film? Like, great question, right? Like, tell me, what do you want to see in a romantic film? Huh? No, but then you'll say, "ये तो मैंने देख लिया." Then you guys say bore हो गए.
Let's give him a mic.
We want to give you a love story, but tell us what to
Yeah.
make it about. An understanding boy. And how is the girl? What about her? She should not be understanding. Huh? Girls are very good. Girls
Guys with the
Girls
mic.
जो होती
Can
हैं,
you all give them a mic?
वो तो कभी गलत हो ही नहीं सकती. प्रॉब्लम सब लड़कों का है.
Okay, yeah. Stand up, whoever is the mic.
सिंगल है, सिंगल ही रहेगी.
I think love, respect, a great story, romance, passion, compassion, everything.
सब कुछ.
Sab kuch.
Okay, well noted.
It will never get underrated. It will never, ever.
Okay.
Action film can
When we do a love story, you better arrive in the theaters,
I
okay?
will.
Because everybody is telling us nobody wants to watch a love story, nobody wants to.
to watch a love story like with you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, like a romance story should have everything love, respect, compassion, but it should have a little reality too.
So, what's the reality? Tell me.
Girls aren't always in need to be a damsel in distress, and boys don't need to be always the hero.
Correct.
So, you want to be the hero?
Yeah?
You want to be the hero?
Yeah.
So, who's your damsel in distress? Behind you?
No.
तू बनने को तैयार है?
I-
देखो ऐसे if you need both types,
Yeah.
you know, let me have this conversation with you. Why do you need a damsel in distress at all?
That is true actually. But
Can't both people not be damsel in distress and still like each other?
yeah. But
Possible?
But it doesn't happen nowadays. Some movies are there that have these dynamics, but I don't.
So you are not a damsel in distress?
Not.
So you're looking for a damsel in distress?
No.
So what are you looking for? You're saying कि एक ऐसा होता है एक वैसा होता है मैं ऐसी हूँ but वैसा नहीं चाहिए तो क्या चाहिए?
लव लॉन नहीं चाहिए कोई मुझे.
तो क्या चाहिए बता दे. आज तो पूरे सब लड़के सुन रहे हैं आज बता ही दे दिल खोल के. This is what I want.
Go for it.
If interested, contact on this and this number. हाँ?
सर थोड़ा मतलब बिल्कुल पागल टाइप का नहीं होना चाहिए काफी.
थोड़ा पागल चलेगा.
हाँ थोड़ा पागल तो चलेगा.
थोड़ा पागल चाहिए लेकिन ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. बट अब अगर कोई लड़का आके बोलेगा मैं थोड़ा पागल हूं तो बोले ये तो बहुत ज्यादा है. तो बोलेगा बट मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा है. फिर तो बोलेगा मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा है. फिर क्या करेंगे हम?
सर वो पता
हाउ
है.
डू यू डिफाइन थोड़ा?
सर वो डिफाइन करने का है ही नहीं. कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है लड़के.
मतलब तू भी यही बोल रही है कि मेरी लाइफ में भी लव स्टोरी होने ही नहीं वाली बिकॉज मैं खुद ही इतनी कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ.
नो अरेंज
Yeah.
मैरिज.
और-
भाई शादी ही नहीं करूंगी फिर मैं.
क्या नहीं करूंगी?
अरेंज मैरिज नहीं करनी वरना शादी ही नहीं करनी.
Okay, okay, okay.
The next candidate 5 years from now looking for arranged marriage, husband material through mama, papa, auntie जी, right here. आज ना मुझे बड़े टाइम बाद फील हो रहा है लॉन्डो के लिए पिक्चर छोड़ो यार, एक लड़कियों के लिए करते हैं. Seriously, I love it. I love the
Yeah.
passion. Thank you all.
First of all, hi, big fan. And I think
Right.
romance right now needs slow burn for forbidden romance, and it should be like yearning.
Okay, wait, calm down. First, what is the first term that you used?
Slow, forbidden romance.
Forbidden. ये क्या होता है?
And it's basically na ki both of them can't have each other, but still they want each
But why
other.
can't they have each other?
अरे maybe it's just that caste
मतलब अगर
difference.
तेरी लव स्टोरी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो तेरी फीलिंग ही नहीं आती. ये क्या बात है?
अरे they should be like
कुछ
थोड़ा-
प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए. लड़का नहीं मिल सकता इसीलिए प्यार है, और जैसे ही लड़का मिल सकता है अब तो प्यार नहीं है बिकॉज ये मिल सकता है.
No, there
तो
there
फिर-
needs to be some Kalesh. There needs to be some
कलेश.
Kalesh.
Some Kalesh.
Like you need to have some drama in your life. Like बच्चों को क्या कहानी सुनाएंगे कि क्या हुआ, बस ऐसे ही मिल गई गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड. Like you need to tell, right?
बच्चों को कभी सच नहीं बताते बेटा, नहीं तो बड़े होके वो भी कलेश करेंगे तेरे साथ.
वो
बच्चों को हमेशा बोलते हैं यू नो एग ड्रॉप्ड बेबी केम, ऐसी कहानियां बच्चों को बताते हैं.
नहीं वो नहीं चलेगा. वो अच्छा वाला स्टोरी दिखाना ना कि
और सेकंड क्या था? सेकंड यू सेड
स्लो बर्न, like
स्लो बर्न.
basically like half movie में नहीं हो जाए कि like they got together and like फिर मूवी बकवास चल रही है ना. लास्ट में बिल्कुल आखिरी में मिले वो लोग.
मतलब प्रॉब्लम जो भी होना चाहिए लड़के लड़की के बीच में ही होना चाहिए, कोई एक्सटर्नल प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट यू सेइंग राइट?
Kinda, yeah.
काइंड ऑफ. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में प्यार कितना मजा आता है ना, समझ ही नहीं आता.
Yeah.
है नहीं है, हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, वैसा वाला.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
थैंक यू टू.
This is the most
अरे एक
enthusiastic
लड़के को तो
crowd.
दे दो, पता तो चले
हाँ,
कि
हाँ.
लड़कों को लव स्टोरी में चाहिए क्या होता है.
Yeah, yeah.
एक लड़का कोई भी ढंग का. स्टैंड अप गाइस, कम ऑन.
इज्जत रख लेना.
Hi sir.
हाय बडी.
I feel like आजकल ना stories are not that modern age anymore. Like cinema में I feel like somewhere एक modern age love story होनी चाहिए.
अडल्ट नहीं हो जाएगी ज्यादा वो पिक्चर अगर सच दिखाना शुरू कर दिया? नहीं,
So in the sense I'm
रियलिटी देखना है.
I'm really inspired by the movies Love Ranjan sir does, right? Where it's modern age.
देखो लड़के का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. यू डिसअपॉइंटेड मी यार. आई थॉट तू इम्तियाज बोलेगा. लड़की का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
So इम्तियाज तो ड्रीम है, but इम्तियाज सर
नहीं, वन लास्ट वन हु सेड यहाँ पे दे दो.
हाँ.
दे दो उसको.
हेलो सर. सर एक बार नाम ले लो. सागर नाम है
एक मिनट.
सर.
लव स्टोरी में क्या चाहिए आपको सागर?
ये बंदा बनाएगा लव स्टोरी लड़कियों के लिए. इसका सिर्फ इतना ही है कि मेरा नाम ले लो.
सर एक लव स्टोरी की बात
बेटा
है सर.
तेरा नाम तू रोज खुद लेता होगा, तेरी
नहीं, नहीं।
मम्मी लेती होंगी, तेरे पापा लेते होंगे,
सर।
तेरे दोस्त. तुझे अपना नाम सुनने में इतनी खुशी क्यों मिलती है?
अरे आपके मुंह से सुनने में सर किसको खुशी नहीं मिलेगी. सर एक क्वेश्चन है सर.
हाँ.
मतलब एक कंप्लेन भी बोल सकते हो. मेरी सर गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम भी प्रीति है. तो
सागर इफ यू वांट अ फ्यूचर चेंज योर नेम.
तो सर घर पे जब मैं बात करता हूँ उसके साथ, पेरेंट्स रहते हैं सामने, तो ऐसा बोलते नहीं कि गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ बात हो रही है, पर भाई लोग आते तो ऐसे चिल्लाते प्रीति, जैसे आप चिल्लाते थे मूवी में.
उसके बाद कुछ होता है कि बस दैट्स इट, दे जस्ट शाउट एंड लीव?
Yeah, he sat down, शायद according to you, the most underrated film that you think that ये और लोगों को देखनी चाहिए थी, आपकी film.
Jersey, yeah, definitely
Jersey.
Jersey, yeah.
Okay, जब भी मैं पद्मावत रिलीज हो रही है, और कौन सी एक फिल्म री रिलीज होनी चाहिए जो उनको पसंद आएगी? आपसे नहीं
Yeah,
पूछना.
no, that's a good option actually. Viva, definitely.
Okay. We'll consider. Yeah, we'll let Suraj ji know. Okay, we
You're
are
meeting him tomorrow,
I'm
right?
meeting him tomorrow. I
Okay,
will
so
let
let
him
him
know.
know.
बहुत डिमांड था कॉलेज में. Okay, we are going to the audience with the mic. We are coming back. Basically, please ask your questions. Who has the mic? Oh, do you have a heart?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, so my question is, if you could swap your life with any Bollywood actor, who would it be?
Nobody. I am very happy being myself.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Okay, next question.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Okay, so you have played a variety of character in your movies. Which one you feel, made you grow as an actor as well as a human being?
I think a lot of them did. I think Heather was one film. Definitely. I do feel Jab We Met taught me a lot, and so did Viva. And I would say Kabir Singh and Deva also helped me learn a lot about myself as an actor. Yeah.
Thank you so
Right.
much.
Next question. Yeah.
Hi, Shahid. So, firstly, big fan, and I am also. Okay, so like, in recent times we have all these situationships and all of that stuff. So, like, do you really think that we should go back to that person if that person like is like Kabir Singh? Or like sorry, not Kabir Singh, but like Aditya. Do you think we should go back? But he makes a mistake.
You've gone full spectrum to decide कर ले कि वो ऐसा है कि वो वैसा है.
I got a bit nervous. So, like in this age of situationships and everything, do you think if a guy like Aditya, like full aisa sant aadmi, if he makes a mistake, like it's very horrible. Do you think that girl should go back to that guy?
I am only feeling pressure कि if I say yes and it doesn't work out, how much you'll hate me.
I
And
won't hate you.
if
don't
I
worry.
say no and it could have worked out, how I would have affected. So it's a very personal question. The only thing I'll say is people change with time. So you must know, sometimes in our past, in a relationship, we have certain memories, but people and situations change. So you should know, is the person the same person that you had liked, or have they changed or evolved or, transitioned? But at the same time, if you really, really like the person, if you feel that they are from inside, they're a really good person, then I think everybody deserves a second chance.
Hi, Shahid. Nandini this side.
Right here.
Here.
Front,
in
front.
front of you. Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
Nandini.
So I just wanted to ask if you could do one movie with your wife, Meera, who would it be? Like, which
What
movie would
movie?
you do?
I think she would want me, if she wanted to do something, she'd want to do not a movie, she'll want to do that show, Schitt's Creek. Okay?
Yeah, Schitt's
So
Creek.
I think that's what she would like. So whatever role she chooses for me, I'll do it because that's what I think she would like.
बोलो. हाँ, जीत गए.
You have the mic, but what you gonna do with it
Sir, I'll ask a question
हाँ,
without
हाँ,
shouting?
बोलो.
without shouting.
बोलो.
सर मतलब जितनी भी रोमांटिक मूवीज देखी हैं बॉलीवुड में ऐसा ही होता है कि यहाँ से लड़की जा रही है लड़का देख रहा है वो भाई क्या मतलब सर ऐसा क्यों नहीं
किसी ढंग के हीरो ने, ये मैं तेरे को पहली चीज सिखा देता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
किसी ढंग के हीरो ने एक अच्छे रोमांटिक सीन में फिल्म के अंदर जब लड़की क्रॉस होती है ओ भाई नहीं बोला है.
सर
जो
मतलब-
ओ भाई बोलता है ना वहीं पे तेरे अंदर का हीरो मर गया.
नहीं
थोड़ा
मतलब-
अच्छा प्यार से, रिस्पेक्ट से, मोहब्बत से देख.
मतलब-
ओ भाई ये सीन रोमांटिक रहा ही नहीं.
नहीं सर मतलब
ये
मैं-
सीन ये हो गया कि अब हीरो आके इसको पेलेगा. तू तेरा कैरेक्टर ही चेंज हो गया.
नहीं
फिर.
वैसे मतलब वैसे ही होता है ना पहले हीरो देखता है पीछे म्यूजिक बजता है बढ़िया ना जो भी
हाँ.
सर ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता पहले हीरो एंट्री ले और पहले लड़की देखो
यार देख तू रुक जा पहले. थोड़ा अपने अंदर की रोमांस को टेढ़े टेढ़े ऐसा कुछ म्यूजिक होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है बेटा. ना 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 ऐसा खूबसूरत म्यूजिक बजता है.
आई कैन सिंग फॉर यू
So-
सर
so-
आई एम अ सिंगर
Not for me, you can turn around and sing for the girls.
ओके
Come on, bro. Do it, bro. Do it. Come on, guys, do it.
तुमसे ही दिन होता है सुरमई शाम आती है तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही थैंक यू सर.
Thank you. And I just want to say, जब तेरे अंदर ये वाला इंसान है, तो ओ बाई वाले को छोड़ दे. This is so nice. You sung so well. Good job, bro.
Well done, well done. Yeah.
Good evening. I just want to know what's your favorite movie of all time.
Acha, simple
Oh
question.
wow, that's a tough question, buddy. Favorite movie of all time?
Give me your
Wow.
top 3 better.
Okay. So let's say one love story. So I would say my favorite DDLJ. I think it's everybody's favorite. Then give me another genre, like an action film.
Action, yeah.
Action. There's so many films that I've enjoyed. Sholay was my favorite
Sholay.
action
Super.
film.
Hi, my name is Dave too.
What's up, Dev?
I wanted
अब
to
तो
ask,
ऐसे करके बात करेगा देव. Yes, Dev.
in your career, you haven't played many part twos. There haven't been any part two movies. So, which movie do you think deserves a part two according to you?
Well, I think the film that I'm doing now can definitely have a part 2. Deva. It can definitely have a part
Deva.
2. But first, let's get it right. Let people like it
Yeah.
and stuff.
Right. Last question, Shahid. You pick. Who would you like to pick? Last question.
Hi Shahid. So
We'll come back.
Yeah. What's up?
okay, so I'm speaking on behalf of like few of my friends, and we are like a dance team. So all of us wanted to ask if you could dance with us.
We'll end with that. So we'll end with that. Okay, y'all start walking here. We'll take one question here and we'll end with that.
So as an actor, you've been playing umpteen number of characters, right? So
Right.
आपको character के अंदर घुसना होता है. So what character do you resonate the most? Like who do you feel कि हाँ ये शाहिद वाला character है?
Not done a character like that yet, which is like me. They're all different aspects and different versions of me. None of them are me.
Koi nahi.
All right.
Koi nahi. Thank you. We'll okay. We are wrapping. Y'all are coming to. We'll shake a leg, Shahid, if you don't mind.
Chalo.
Yes. Guys,
Thank
okay,
you,
down,
ladies.
down, down.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Guys, the TEDx team of Mitibai College. Guys, big hand. This is your college. Honoring Shahid Kapoor. Thank you so much for having us.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. I had a great time.
Guys,
You
here's-
guys were an amazing audience. I wish you all the best in life. And thank you for having me. Yeah? Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing us with your presence. We, NMIMS Zio and CIS, would like to present with you.
Thank you.